What's the meaning of Catholicism? Catholicism. Catholicism.
Catholicism. Catholicism. Catholicism refers to the beliefs, practices, and traditions associated with the Roman Catholic Church. It is a branch of Christianity with its roots in the teachings of Jesus Christ and the Apostles. The Catholic Church considers itself to be the one true church and follows a hierarchical structure with the Pope as its ultimate authority. Catholics believe in the Holy Trinity, the sacraments, and that salvation comes through faith in Jesus Christ. The Catholic Church has had a significant impact on art, culture, and society throughout history.